For the blueberry muffins, I will get a cup of my self-picked blueberries from the freezer, frozen as they are. And I will rinse my blueberries off. For my blueberry muffins, I need 2.5 cups of almond flour, which I'll eyeball here. 2.5 one went almost overboard here. There we go. It may be a little more than 2.5 cups, but not much. To this, I will add 1/3 of a cup of allulose. And a dash of stevia, as well as a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/3 of a cup of softened butter. I will eyeball this. This butter is very soft. It's been out on the counter for a few hours. 3 eggs. And 1/3 of a cup of half and half. Half a teaspoon vanilla extract. And I shall mix this. Add my rinse of blueberries. They froze again and I'll gently mix them in. I have a silicone muffin tin, which I spray with, this is avocado oil. And I will distribute my batter in the different muffin cups, like such. These will now go in the preheated oven at 350 for 20-25 minutes until a toothpick comes out clean. And here are the muffins, fresh from the oven. They need to cool down a little before I can get them out of there. And here we have the muffins ready to eat. Can you see this? This is full of blueberry goodness. Taste test. This is so good. It's not overly sweet, and the blueberries taste is just really popping. Oh, this is a wonderful Sunday breakfast. So good. So good. Oh my gosh.